Alright guys, coming back with another video on Fiverr. I'm crushing it on Fiverr. I'm just blowing out all this information. This is top tier stuff, guys. If you haven't watched some of my previous videos, go back and watch it. I know it's a lot of the same content over and over again, but guys, it's really important. You might miss a thing or two. I try to add one new thing to each video. But I'm going to show you how you're going to crush it on Instagram. You don't need any followers. You don't need any money to do this. All you need is some time. It's a really simple, really beginner friendly format here. This method is amazing and I highly suggest it, right? So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a website where you can get different gigs done for $5, right? So if you need a logo for your company, you need some SEO work done, maybe you need some content written for your website, all this starts out for $5, right? Fiverr loves new customers. Every business loves new customers, so Fiverr has an affiliate program. Surprise, surprise, right? So Fiverr's affiliate program is really good. It is really good. You have basically anybody at all that you get to sign up. At the very bare minimum, you're going to make $15. That's really good. I mean, that's for a sign up and somebody starts a gig, right? But some of these gigs, like whiteboard and explainer videos, e-commerce, these are paying $50. Website builders, $50. I mean, you can't. That's really good. So, how does this all work? How does Instagram tie into this? Well, we're going to do some local marketing. What goes really good with Instagram? Food. So restaurants, right? I live in the Cleveland area, and I just did a simple search for Cleveland restaurants, and lo and behold, there's thousands of restaurants here. And basically what I did is I just went through here, and I picked out a restaurant that had an Instagram account, right? And I don't see it in this list right here, but I got it on this little tabby right here. So this is the Flying Fig, let me scroll to the top here, the Flying Fig Small Eatery and Bar, right? All I did was I looked around, I found their Instagram was at the bottom here, right? Clicked on this little Instagram icon and I looked at their Instagram profile, right? And it's okay. It's nothing great, but it'll serve the purpose here, right? So first thing I notice is that their profile picture is meh. Their followers are meh. Their posts are kind of meh. It's just they're good quality pictures of food, but it doesn't really I don't know. It's not jumping at me. I mean, it's nothing like cray that I would do backflips about. There's no theme to it. There's no overall. I don't know. It doesn't jump out at me. So what are we going to do here? How do we tie this in, right? So we're going to go back to Fiverr here, and I did a search for e-commerce, right? Because Fiverr commission plan here, e-commerce pays $50, right? So I did a search here for e-commerce, right? And this very first one is a great starter one, right? So you're going to get $5. They're going to pay $5 to have somebody Photoshop edit their e-commerce, right? So basically what they'll do is you send them some pictures to Photoshop, they make them look pretty, right? It's going to cost you, it starts at $5. Really easy thing to do. So basically you go to the Flying Fig, you go to their Instagram, you send them a DM, and you say, hey, this is what you need to do to blah blah, and I really want to upgrade your pictures or whatever. You just come up with the sales spiel. I can't really explain everything to you. You're just gonna have to figure some of this out on your own a little bit, but you basically just point them to this Fiverr gig. They sign up as a new customer, you get $50. It's a $5 price point. That's not a hard sale. You just got to come up with a convincing kind of a line. Just, hey, I notice that you're Instagram's kind of lacking. I kind of do this for a living. Hey, why don't you check out Fiverr? I really want to see this grow because, restaurants close, the first, 30% the first year or two. I can't remember what it was, but just give them some kind of salesy whatever and lock them down. You'll get $50 right off the tippity top. So that's it. That's how it works. I'm not going to try to draw this video out any longer. All you're going to do is, you do it to 10, 20 different restaurants in the Cleveland area. You should get at least 2 bites off of 20. I mean, that's about, a 10% conversion. You just keep at it. You do 10 to 15, 20 a day or whatever, and you really start leashing them in. And literally, all you got to do is just type out your spiel and send it to each one of, DM each one of these guys. You don't have to come up with a different way to talk to them. Just send the same, cut and paste kind of method here. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I love to answer your questions. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Obviously love subscribers. Like the video. And I'll see you in the next one.